Today I'm sharing one of our favorite free homeschool field trips in California. This is ran through the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and it is their Fishing in the City program. It's completely free. It happens a few times a year. They provide all the gear, the instructions, and the hands-on experience. So I'll show you what it actually looks like so you can decide if it is a good fit for your family.
Let's go have some fun, guys.
We're not going to be fishing for them. I recommend fishing for trout. We put about 800 pounds of trout in here yesterday, so that's what we want to be fishing for. But I want you to know that there's
Yep, okay. You're going to put that in front, one finger in front of this pokey part of the rod. Okay, trigger. One finger in front of the trigger. Wrap your whole hand around the rest of it. I'm not going to push it in slowly. You're going to push it in fast. And down at the bottom, not at the top. Down at the bottom, a little like this. I'm squeezing with my whole hand. Okay?
Oh man, that was a good catch.
This worked really well for my kids because it is hands-on, low pressure, and beginner friendly, no experience needed. If you're homeschooling in California, this is one of those resources that's worth keeping on your radar. So I'll link more information in the description so you can check out your local dates.